So we're back, another episode. I was just here a minute ago. Had to mow the grass, do all kinds of stuff. But I'm working on putting these in right now. And you go from top of this one to this. Then you get some little squares on there I was talking about, little plywood gussets. When I get all this glued on, I'll flip it over and do the other side. It'll be coming from the bottom over. I guess they almost actually touch in the middle. We'll see what happens. Anyway, glad you can make it. 10:30 Bill with me, Scott. Could be a little walking back and forth. These are little tedious jobs right here. Cut at an angle. They're about a 60-degree angle. Each cut will glue them in. Using my murder weapon. Surprised I never owned one before now. The glue is nice and dry on these beams here. All right, I'm gonna take that down a bit. I'm gonna go to the sander. Slip it right in there. Oh yeah, perfect fit. Next. Let me see, I want to cut that piece off. You know what, I think I'll use this to cut it instead of the murder weapon on these little pieces. Oh yeah. They got a lot of torque. That blade's a carbon blade, so it get a little bit of a burning effect. Makes really quick work of it though. Really quick. This is absolutely my new favorite tool. I'm working on here at the top and forward. That's forward. If you didn't know. Pretty close, pretty close. A little more. Go touch it up in the sander. The little piece I put in is going to need a notch around. Yeah. Mm-hmm. Like that. All right, moving on. Hey, you're in the way again. Okay, that's better. Gotta have my space. All right, next to Rooney. Piece of little slightly bent. Actually, the grains give an optical illusion. That is so much quicker than going over to the saw every 5 seconds. Fits right in there too. All right. Next. Forward. A little smidgen. Let's see what this one does here. Perfecto. Hope you've been having a great day. We've been getting a lot of stuff done around here. Let's see here. Yeah. Ain't nothing out of that. That's how that one goes. That one's not quite as tight, but it's snug. All right, one more, you're in the way again. One more, then we'll glue them in. All right, last one. A little snug, gonna sand it. So all day, all I'm accomplishing is getting these glued and these glued. A bunch of little stuff. Here more. All right. So, ready to glue. I keep calling it glue, but it is epoxy. There is a big difference in the strength and, of course, everything else. My wood pile's getting smaller. My wood pile's getting smaller. And so is my stuff in the box. Got quite a bit more to do here. I got to put in this diagonal, that diagonal, the gussets, the bottom plate, like the top plate. Then I got to cut this assembly off. And that's going to be the airline. And then I got to do some work, put some ribs and stuff down this way on the wing. quite a bit of work. Maybe in the next week or so we have this done though. That would be great. We'll see.
The real strength's going to come into these joints when I put the gusset on. That's really going to be the strength.
Okay. All right, I'll come back, check in a few minutes, look here like everything's holding good. Next thing I'll do, I'll pull these staples and put the gussets on the top. Then I'll flip it over, put these ledgers on the bottom of the airline spar. Do this exercise again, put more gussets on. Anyway, she's coming together. It's a slow, tedious process. I wish I had 5 hours a day to put in it, but I don't. About an hour a day, I'm lucky. Hope y'all, if any of y'all are building one, hope it's good news for you. Over there at Dave Tyson, he's got a video. His is a lot more instructive than mine. He's a perfectionist, and he kind of shows you every single step. I try to do a lot of it, but if you watch his and mine, between the two of us, probably can't go wrong. I've used his videos a lot to help me, and I appreciate it, Dave. Anyway, I hope everybody has a great evening. Hope God's blessing you. Get down on your knees tonight and tell him thank you. Don't forget to keep looking up. See you later.